Yes, people, I'm back again. I got another one. As always, I'm just gonna start saying this first. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Because I really need subscriptions, man. But yeah, let's just get into this. Of course, you can tell by the box what's in here. A pair of Nike trainers. I haven't seen anyone wear these. I haven't seen these in person. I haven't seen anyone on socials. I've only seen these really on the Nike website. I'm not saying they're limited edition or whatever, but I just haven't really seen anyone wear these. Good price, I guess. I like the colorway. Let's see if they are 10/10 in person. Oops, that failed. As always, pull for sport. 3. What am I counting? I'm not counting. Yes, the best bit. Hopefully. Oh, there's no label. Huh? This box is different as well. What's going on? This is not really an Air Max box, so that makes it even funnier or weirder. Nike Air Max. I actually didn't know the name. EXOSENSE. Black and white? Have they sent me the right pair? I'm a bit confused about what's going on now. So yeah, let's just see what they've sent me, if they've sent me the right pair or not. Ooh, it looks, I can tell it's the right pair. Yes. Nike Air Max EXOSENSE. Oh, these are actually way better in person. This bit looks kind of pinkish, but on the camera it looks a bit different. These are cold. Oh, I didn't notice that. So it's like a one piece inside. Oh, I like those. It's got the air on the back with the Nike tick. And black, red. Bit of cloth there. Don't know the name of this material. Grey pull tab. Who actually uses pull tabs? Comment if you use a pull tab. Yeah, it says air. I believe this sole or bubble, whatever, is the same as the Air Max 200. Don't quote me on that. I think it is. I actually haven't got a pair of Nikes like this, and these are really nice. I got these for around 55, 60 pounds. So yeah, let me just take. I hate this so much. Throw that away. Got a little whatever in there. Oh, this is, it's got a bit of a cushioning. It's a bit different. So it's like Reebok pumps. Yeah. Then it's got the. I don't believe this will really crease. Well, it might start looking like this and that. But yeah, I really like these. So it's black, white, red, bits of grey. I actually like this trainer a lot. Tell me what you think, and as always, on foot video to follow. Take care, people.